What the dog doing?
These cookies are so good. Thank you so much for inviting me. It's been forever. I'm glad you like them, and I know it's been so long. So what have you been up to recently? Oh, me? Recently, I got this new PC setup, and it's been great. So I've just been playing games with some friends. You should totally get one too. We can all play together. A gaming setup? Where'd you get that? Oh, I just got mine online. It's so easy. Just order it, it'll arrive at your doorstep. And then just set it up. It'd be so cool. You should so get one. Like, right now. Or after I leave. Yes, after I leave. Maybe. I'll check it out later. But first, we have so much to talk about. What a day. Okay, what did she say? Online? Let me go check it out. Gaming setup. Oh, okay. We'll just check it out, I guess. Now we just wait.
Hello? Oh, I have a delivery today.
Oh yeah, just leave it at the door. Thank you.
Are you sure? It's a little big.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Thank you.
Alright then. Thank you. Alright, let's get this in here. Alright, I don't get paid enough for this.
Alright, everybody, it's Ivy here, and today we have something new to unbox. And it's already somewhat unboxing itself. So, what do we have today? We have the Sweet Spaces game room set. Yay! So, our little purple cat earlier ordered this for her room, so let's go ahead and set it up for her. I've been so excited to open this. It looks amazing. And it was on sale recently. And yeah, it just looks so fun. You can get other sets too. There's a piece of hair that's mine. We don't mind that. I'm pretty interested in the bathroom and the kitchen, but for now, it is the game room. So let's go ahead and check it out.
I'm getting better at this. Let's go.
So that, oh, ooh, bunch of cute stuff. Oh, okay. We've got this and boxes. Hold on. Oh, of course. Okay. Then the plastic. It's right there. Okay, great.
You guys are instructions to drill things. Okay. We will figure that out.
Okay, so we have some wallpaper and the stuff itself and a ladder. Oh, I guess that makes sense, right? Because if you're stacking up this stuff. So, let's look at the wallpaper. Oh, my arm is hitting everything. Okay. We have this cute, nice lavender heart thing. Then we just have a plain pink wall. We have a blue and white checkered thing. And wood flooring. Then we have purple and pink. I think it goes like this. Purple and pink. And then some subway tiles. That's great. Now let's, if I can even, my nails. Okay, let's check out the other stuff. So, in this, I was gonna say bag, it's not a bag. We have the table. So let's open it up. Oh, my goodness. Okay. Open it up. Ooh, it's all wrapped nicely. Let's check it out.
We have this, and I think this is the table itself. We have this. Oh, that's not this is the table itself. And ta-da! Okay, this can't be that hard to set up. We can do this right now. I need this, hold on. Oh, okay. So look. So this thing connects to this. Oh, okay, great. And then like that. All right. Ah. Oof. Perfect. Great. Oh. Perfect. Let's go see all the things that we can use. Oh, great. Okay. Let's separate them all. Nice. Huh? What is this? Okay. Let's see. We have the placemat. Placemat? Carpet? Carpet. So cute. I thought this was on the table, but then I realized it's way bigger than the table. Then we have some manga coming on over here. Cat girl. Cute. I love the detail on it. Then we have, oh, volume 2 of Cat Girl. Let's get a close look. Love it. Oh, she meets somebody. Nice. Then we have photo frame of probably said Cat Girl. Then what is this? Oh, the mouse. Cute. We have the mouse, the drill from the instructions, another picture frame, cute, some LED clouds for the walls, and 2 shelves. Awesome. And lastly, let's look at this. So we have the keyboard, the controller, plant, mic, ring light, chair, computer. Looks like they're playing Pet Society. If you know, you know. And the, oh my gosh, the PC thing itself. Look at that. You can see the fans and this and the stuff and stuff. That's great. And now here I struggle again. Oh, okay. That's too loud. Let me get this off camera. Let's fix that. Yay! Okay, closer look at everything. Here is the chair. Oh, does it recline? Okay, we're not that fancy. Does this spin? Oh, it does, kinda. Wheels aren't real, but that's okay. Awesome. We have the small mic. It's adjustable? Question mark? Okay, maybe not. Let's not bend it. Let's not break the thing. Then we have the cute controller. I love the keyboard, ring light, the PC. I love this so much. It's so nice. The plant. Love it. And of course the monitor. So cute. Let's go set the room up. Ta-da! Now that we have the walls, we can decide on the flooring and wallpaper. Definitely this wooden floor. We can put this in already, I think. This way? If it lets me. Okay, we gently bend the corners. Oh, and it's stuck. Great. Okay, hold on. This is not very ASMR of me. There we go. I kind of like the vibe that the box is going for over here with the plain wall and the dotted thing. So I might just copy that. So it's like this, which I think is also nice. So let me just put it in. Now let's get to drilling. Where are the holes? Oh my gosh, I don't want to. Is this correct? I'm pushing in, there's nothing. Hello? Oh. Okay, that is the one. That's so scary. What? Oh my gosh, it's forever poked. It's forever poked. Okay. It's the most stressful thing in my life. Like that? Ah! No! No! And just like that, it is all set up. Poking this was the most stressful thing in my life. I don't think I like that so much, but look at the adorable setup we have. Let's get a closer look. Here it is, all in its detail glory. Put the ring light on top, the frames, the manga, the computer, everything right here. Isn't it great? Let's get Purple Cat to go see it. It's gorgeous! I should go check it out right now. It's perfect. Should I say perfect? Oh my goodness. Oh, and she fits perfectly. That's great. Oh my gosh, look at her. It's just her size. Do you like it? Oh, what kind of shake was that? Do you like it? Great. Awesome. Let's try it out. Oh. Isn't it great? Blah blah blah. Hi, welcome to my video. Nice. I love it. It's perfect LPS size for reference. It's great. Beautiful. Yay! I'm back to Cat Ivy, and that is all for today's unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Purple Cat enjoyed as well, I think. I call her Purple Cat because she doesn't have a name yet. But yeah, if you guys ever want to get gaming sets for your LPS, I recommend the Sweet Spaces. It's really great. Perfect size, as you can see. A little scary and tedious to do, but overall, it's a really great playset. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing video, and I will see you, darlings, next time. Bye-bye!